Oh yeah, today's a very special day. Y'all know where we headed. Y'all seen in the last clip that the M3 just got taken away. So we're headed to the shop right now to get started on the single turbo kit install provided to us by Big Boost. Shout out to Big Boost for helping me out with this. And yeah, I guess we'll pick this up when we get there. Should be a good little video series. Let's go. I know the wind cutting a little bit, but let's get a nice little pull going in. What's going on? Y'all remember him? E90 Khalil, Divine E9X? A little bit of they're working with the V8s too? Yes, sir. Alright, so we're gonna have to assess the damage. I know the turbo went where the turbos went. My transmission was acting up. Well, we about to get it right. Back in the day. Back in the day. Give the viewers a little bit of an update. What we got going on?
Draining coolant.
Draining coolant? Is that all? How's the turbo looking? I heard it was beat to shit. Rear turbo literally got destroyed. I'm surprised it didn't come out. The what is it? The compressor wheel? That's what it was, right? I'm surprised it didn't come out. It's bent up in there though. That means it was getting ready to come out. Back in the day. Oh, we got a nice little update. One turbo out. And I'm pretty sure that's not the destroyed one. Look at that. Just ate up. See that? Ate up. Jesus. How'd that not come out? That's bad. It literally let go. You can't even see on camera how bent up it is. These Nankangs serve their purpose. They got destroyed. Look at that. How bad that is. Literally gone. 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 This here is a master at work. This here is a trainee at work. I love how this man went into the Dollar General store, got 2 Gatorades and 2 gallons of water, and didn't get me not a damn thing. I got you chicken, bro. Chicken. Now I'm hurt. I'm thirsty. I'm hot. I'm sweaty. And I got no water. been long asked for, and I said I'd do it. The build breakdown of my 2016 F80 M3. And boy, she is beautiful. Alright, so now let's get into the build list. Okay, so first and foremost, it's running Big Boost kit made by Big Boost, hence the name. I'm running a Borg Warner EFR 9280 74 mil turbo. This pipe was, ouch, hit my head on the roof. Oh well, this pipe was made at Vanos Lab, or yeah, it was made at Vanos Lab by Daryl. I'm running port injection by Black Market. I think that's what we call it. Black Market, Black Magic, something. I don't entirely remember. Let's see. I was running an AIC, but now I'm running. Oh no! Don't fall down here. We had that issue. But now I'm running the Reflex, the Motorsports Reflex, and that thing is, whew, that's good shit right there. Anyway, let's see, what else are we doing? Thermostat, heat exchanger, transcooler. I was running SSP clutches, but something went wrong and they took shit on me. In here, I got this from eBay, don't judge me. It works, and I haven't had any issues with it, no leaks, no nothing. I'm running, I got these wheels from Beamer World, I don't remember, or they're TA5Rs, and I'm pretty sure they're 10s up front. I know I'm running 11s in the back. Got these wrapped in R888s. I was running Nankangs before, 295, 35, 18s on the rear. They were just a little too small, so I went with the R888s. 305, 35, 18s, and look at that fitment. Do you see that? Ooh, it's so clean. Yes, sir. It's so clean. This car in general is clean. All in all, I mean, maybe not the rear, because yeah, the rear's a little dirty, but oh well. The exhaust itself, I'm running the factory muffler with an X pipe and 2 resonators on the rear. I got the single downpipe from Big Boost, the single into the dual on the rear, or down the downpipe single, yeah, that thing. What else? Stock injectors. I'm running Snow Performance meth, the Snow Performance stage 4 meth kit, and I got the Burger Tuning 3-gallon stealth tank in the back. My trunk's a mess, so I'm not gonna open it and show you, but it's back there. And then the nozzle itself, you can't really see it, but it's down there. Let me see if I... Fully built motor, top and bottom, built head, built block, Mallet pistons, Carrillo rods. Head was built by Head Games. Shout out to Head Games. Shout out to everybody that makes parts for this car, because without you, this beast, this animal, wouldn't be an animal. So big shout out to everybody that's had their hand on this car, or indirectly had their hand on this car, because I'm running their parts. I love this spoiler, high kick. I got that from ECS tuning. The high kick just makes it look so aggressive. Look at that. Just like, it's just so good. Let's get into the headache of this car. So at first, I was running Vargas GC Pluses, and they were doing well all the way up until we started making right around 700-ish, I want to say. I think it was 700. and they gave out on me. Nothing on them. I'm not gonna talk shit. Not gonna say anything negative. The turbos were doing well. They just didn't hold up. Oh, but it is what it is. So we hit a big boost. Like the next day, I hit a big boost, and I'm pretty sure I told him, I was like, I just want the biggest turbo I could fit in this thing possible, and he made it happen. I'm pretty sure you can maybe fit a little bit bigger, but he did. Stock location, and they did a great job with that. The kit itself wasn't bad, wasn't too bad to install, even though I personally didn't do it. Vanos Lab did. Shout out to Vanos Lab and their hard work for dealing with the headaches of these cars. Now, let's go do some driving. Forgot, just a little sound clip. I don't know if it's gonna blow it out or not, but we'll see if it does or not. I forgot to say I also have Apple CarPlay in here, but it's not working right now, and partially it's not working because the phone I normally use it with is broken at the moment, but whatever, it's cool, it'll work soon. But y'all need to hear some of this turbo noise. That's what it sounds like in the car. Ooh, it sounds so good. All the turbo noise that you can think of. I've been told that it sounds kind of like a 2J, and I can agree with people on that. It does sound like a 2J from the outside when you're really in it. But man, I love this car. This car is fantastic now. And it's only getting better. It's only getting faster. Oh man. Spinning up. Oh man, that sound is intoxicating. Now I love my Z01, but this is home. This is bait right here. See that BMW? I'll never go against y'all. BMW is best car ever made, and y'all can be mad about that if you want to. My opinion is solid.